Our flight took off from the Athens airport on a warm, sunny afternoon. Leaving the green undulations of the mainland behind, we flew off over the Aegean Sea towards the island of Santorini. The in-flight durations to any Greek islands from Athens are all very short. Even the distant Rhodes, Carpathos or Crete can be reached under 1 hour. In about 20 to 25 minutes from Athens, we reached the Santorini airport. From Santorini airport, you will get regular buses which will take you through some beautiful countryside to the Fira bus station. Fira is the central town of Santorini from where most bus routes originates. You can get a detailed timetable at this bus station for all destinations. We had chosen our accommodation not very far from the bus station at Hotel and Apartments Antonia. Keeping our luggage at the hotel, we moved out to get some food from a nearby place named Falafel Land, which was praised highly in some Google reviews for its vegan food. The interior of this food joint had some very interesting elements. The falafels were made in front of us within a very short time. They were quite heavy and we, though extremely hungry, struggled to finish them. But we liked the food. After taking some rest, that evening we went out for a special night, Aditi's birthday dinner. I had planned a surprise secretly with the restaurant manager, and a waiter was supposed to bring a small cake and a candle to our table. But the situation turned hilarious when the waiter got confused and went to another table. Finally, realizing his goof up, he brought the cake to Aditi and the entire restaurant laughed aloud and sang the happy birthday song. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. The next morning, we opted to have our breakfast at a restaurant named Pelican Kippos, primarily allured by the vibrant atmosphere. The English breakfast we ordered was sumptuous enough. We returned to our hotel and wanted to relax a little more and not rush out like we always do. After spending some lazy moments at the hotel, we finally set out for our day's plan. From the Fira bus station, we took a bus for Ia. The route to Ia is mountainous, crossing some beautiful white villages along the slopes, and the Aegean Sea was visible throughout on our right. We got down from the bus at the Ia bus station. Buses from Ia to Fira operates every 30 minutes at the 20th and 50th minutes every hour till 9:50 p.m. Ia is the postcard image of the Greek islands. The whitewashed houses, the characteristic blue domes, the beautiful white church of Panaia Akathishtos hymn. You will get one of the most striking and iconic views from here, and you can spend hours just looking at it. Many of these dwellings originated as humble caves dug into the cliffs, and now you need to pay top dollars to stay in a luxury hotel for a night or dine at an expensive restaurant. It doesn't take time to fall in love with the concoction of this breathtaking natural beauty and how humans glamorized it in the past few decades. It was just natural for us to try out some photo shoots ourselves.
আমরা একটু খেলাম আলফা ড্রাফট বিয়ার, তার সঙ্গে সেগ্রেটো পিৎজা। খুব খিদেও পেয়েছিল, একটু রেস্টেরও দরকার ছিল। একদম বাইরেই ইয়ার একদম দুর্দান্ত একটা ভিউ।
You can find yourself lost very easily amidst the art and alleys of Ia. Finding the right way to the famous sunset point becomes a task itself.
যেমন হাওয়া দিচ্ছে আজকে, সব ফ্রিজ ম্যাগনেটগুলো রাখা রয়েছে, সেগুলো রীতিমতো ওটা করে দুলছে। এই পার্টিকুলার জায়গা থেকে ডান দিকে অনেকেই চলে যায় ভুল করে, বাট সানসেট পয়েন্টে যদি যেতে হয় তাহলে you need to go to the left and follow this trail. Oh wow.
Once you get the correct direction, it is just following the one path forward. The sunset point is on top of the 14th century Venetian fortress, which was destroyed in the 1956 earthquake.
আমরা এখন সানসেট পয়েন্টে পৌঁছে গেছি, কিন্তু যথারীতি এখানে এতটাই ভিড় যে ঠিকঠাক একটা জায়গা পাইনি। তাই জন্য আমরা মোটামুটি এই পেছন দিকটায় একটা জায়গায় বসে আছি। সামনের দিকে প্রচণ্ড ভিড়।
We have seen her leaning over the earth from the windows of the sunset. Just beyond the sunset lies a home for me, where the world is peaceful like a paradise should be. Just beyond the sunset, someone waits for me. Just beyond the sunset, someday is where you will find me.
এবারে আমরা ফিরে আসছি, বাস স্ট্যান্ডের দিকে চলে যাচ্ছি এবারে। Now is around 8:30, 8:50 there is the bus.
Buses operate more or less on time in Santorini. We got the 8:50 p.m. bus and returned to Fira. Just adjacent to the bus station lies the town center of Fira. It of course will not be so empty, rather teeming with tourists during the peak summer months. You will get a lot of options for food here, including souvlaki, gyros, salads, sandwiches, and non-Greek food as well. If you love this episode, please press the like button and do subscribe to our channel.